Good morning and welcome to Melanie's Minutes, where we discuss a workers' compensation issue by the beach, because workers' compensation can sometimes be a beach. My name is Melanie Diegelman. I'm an attorney here at the Law Office of Melissa Day, and today I'm going to talk about the issue of conflicting medical opinions and our right as a carrier to depose the doctor whose report is in the file. First, when we have an issue of, let's say, a degree of disability or ongoing disability, at some point, obviously, we are going to secure an IME. That IME might give a different opinion, and therefore litigation will ensue regarding the issue of degree of disability. Therefore, when we are litigating that issue, we want to discredit the treating provider. If there's really no basis, if they're giving a total disability, for example, and there's really no basis in the file for that, such as no neurological deficits on exam, really no changes in any examination findings, no restrictions on their ability to ambulate or whether or not they're taking pain medication. And it's important to remember that subjective complaints alone are insufficient to credit or be the basis for a degree of disability. And a lot of times doctors will say, well, she's in pain, but really what objective evidence is there? And it's also important to remember that even if we don't have a contrary medical opinion, if the carrier does request cross-examination of a treating provider whose report is in the file on which the claimant is relying, there is a mandatory language in that regulation that requires the case be adjourned for that testimony. As you probably read in the Court of Appeals decision, Lazuli, it's really important to remember because a lot of judges still are denying that right, but it's a right that the carriers have even if there's no contrary medical, and that's a lot of times judges will still rely on the fact that we don't have contrary medical, but that's not required for this right. So if you have any questions regarding any ongoing disability problems that you're having in any of your files, we welcome the opportunity to assist you, and we will see you next time. Thank you.